Okay, maybe. Are we alive? I think we are. Okay. Yes. Actually, no, not this one. Okay. So, let's see where we at. So we need to parse this. And okay, focus. Need to remember how to parse. So this we're trying to parse. But this album's ass. No, this one. So well, let's see. We combine it's my favorite thing, T Combinator. Let's loading files. I don't know when I'm putting new types. But fuck it, I don't care. Get out of here, debug console. Okay. What are we doing? Okay. I have something on my second monitor I can switch to. Let's see, just like box while I'm doing this. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? You're not doing anything wrong. Okay. So now we'll have to make oops. So these have loops. I should probably like show you guys what we're doing today, shouldn't I? So well, don't open on the main monitor, please. Okay, let me explain what we're doing. So we're making... This is too big of a brush. What the fuck? Or is this page too small? Why is it vertical? Guys, oh my, almost a gig of memory for fucking drawing. So we're making a macro parser in the parser. Actually, I should probably. So the parser will have the macro parser, and then the macro interpreter. And then also the macro store. It's an awful E to fuck. And then have the build toolchain here, and that keeps the global, that's a G, keeps the global macro store parser number 1. And then if parser 2 has parser 2 has if this makes sense to you, then congrats, you're smart. This is what we're doing. We're making this part. This is what we're making today. This guy, the macro parser. I should probably hello? Crash. Wait, no, wrong model. I lost it, okay. It's fine. We know what we're doing now. So now you guys know what we're fucking doing today. Explained that 10 minutes in. So now let's implement. Actually, I'll make a diagram of things that macros could do. So like, if you have a macro, you can. This is your macro right here. You can have loop. I don't know what I'm doing. This is not helpful in the slightest. I don't need to explain this. You can have loops and generate tokens. Wow. It's almost like it's a macro. Okay. Actually, yeah, I'll put it here. So now this works, but we need loop. Sigma 6, 7. That's how this song goes. If the song goes Sigma 6, 7, that's what it says. It's speaking in Japanese. What? Oh. Can we loop? Let's see. My microphone is... Okay, there we go. So... Okay, turn off the background music. Okay, let's think about how to do this. Can do like... Could try to this shouldn't be allowed, but it is, but I don't care. You just get an error every time. It's fine. Honestly, the macro system, I don't care all that much. How do I represent a literal token? I don't know how to do that. I could do is I could... No, I don't want to do that. So what I want to do is I want to... We can patch the inner expression to other tokens. Just go to the token. Actually, should I do token or spam? It can be fancy and use a spam. Why is my screen so blurry over here? Do you guys need grandma mode? I don't think this stream footage is usable. Or, hold on. Oh, okay. Just had to check. Why is that allowed? Oh no, it's not, okay. This is funny, this is gonna trip people up. This X is literally the token identifier X, like it's not actually this X over here. I'm sure that'll cause many issues down the line. I don't care. People can go fuck themselves. Think I give a shit? Okay. Now, hopefully, we can also do this. So my idea is we could do like this, and then, you know, do that. And then I forgot to make type valid. So then we could like do that. And then we could be like plus equal variance. Actually, I don't know. Because how would we do that? God. The variance equals variance plus. Because my idea is we can have tuples like this, you know. We do like this. Or we could. Fuck, I don't know. We could do this. But I don't know how I feel about that. We just have this be a map. No, can we do a list? Do a list, and then I'm gonna have like. Just gonna bring this shit back. So the macro value. So I don't need this. People didn't know. What am I saying? I don't have to do that. Accept those links. No. Okay. It should be like regular lists. Next, OSPL. The first macro and then it will list. Yeah, okay. I don't think we just do that. So we have like a list like this. Do something like this. Group them like this. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. I could do this. This looks a little ugly. Actually, the point would be like this. I don't know, it wouldn't be like that. So I don't know how this syntax would look. My guess is this, but I'm not really sure. I'll be honest. Okay, with the binary operation. Parse the expression. Parse macro expression. Wait, this is gonna look kind of stupid. I could make it look like fucking Lisp if I wanted to. Wait, hold on. This would be so funny. Lost like this. So dumb. I hate it. I think I'm gonna do it. I don't care. Oh wait, no, all I really need is just binary operation kind of thing. What if I just put do as the token? I mean, that's chill. I could just be like do variance list. I could just do this, but I don't know. The current gave me what I want to support is plus, so actually plus and maybe colon. Like, no. I don't want to do that one. Do binary add between them. Okay. Yes, this. And now, one last thing I probably need to do is Now that purses, I don't know if it's correct, but okay. Dude, this looks so stupid. Compared to regular OSPL code, which is, I mean, this, yeah, it's readable enough. This is not readable, dude. You cannot read this. You could not read this even if you wanted to. This is garbage. I don't care enough to make it look any better. So it's macros, they're gonna look like garbage either way. Shit, dude, I'm too big. So then, we need like a for loop, some kind of variance. Some for loops. I'm gonna be more base for macros. How am I gonna do it? See parse macros. How does it already work? Parse macro. So now we should do that. I think I forgot to add in. Expected left curly dot dollar sign. What? Where? 10 column 24. So here. Do you mean? Okay, so we could do this now. Nice. How am I gonna index? I'm gonna do column. Actually, I'm gonna do this. HS. Let's return here. Returns net. Let's get. And then I don't want this. This is unreachable though, and then this is unreachable, I think. I don't know actually. Not this. So maybe because we didn't request anything else. Okay. Variant. Dot 0. Oh, how? What? Expect this. Elements remove expect and this is in the FFI. You want I'm not concerned. Okay. Why? Okay. Now it works. So I can do this. Okay, this is kind of just the idea of it. Now I think I have all the features that are like essential to this. I have all of them implemented, so now it's time to work on the macro interpreter. Which I don't feel like doing. I know they're never constructed. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Macro. I gotta go into. I gotta add. All right, now we can suffer. Was it default? Let's do that. Yes. I don't know what that was. Actually, let's focus on this. Okay, so I'm actually going to take in a parser. Means this immediately becomes a parser function. No, bro, I don't want that. Because, like, what I can do, this is not continuous create. Push. Let's do it and push. Extend it. It's gonna leave it to put a real error. I'm too lazy right now. So other one is I'm gonna just see. Run the student. God, this sucks so bad. It's fine. This is the wrong album art. Okay. per thing and view things. So, actually, I'm just gonna clone the top one. Which, that's gonna be very annoying. So then it clones the values. Shit. The fuck do I do then? You know what? I'm bringing it back. I just don't care enough right now. I should, like, you know, have them assigned. Kind of fun with it. No. Good.
Have you eaten anything?
No, but I wasn't hungry. Okay. So I have to leave. Macro item. Expert. Stop and that thing doesn't matter anymore.